there.
No, don't put her head in first. Just put her arms in first.
Good kitty. Who's a good kitty? He's a spazzy boy. JoJo is a spazzy boy. Oh! She escaped.
It's okay.
No kisses, Tori.
Wait, I don't think I'll be able to keep this on. I'm going to get it on her, but she won't keep
No,
it on.
Peanut, it's okay. You need to put her arms in first.
Thanks for saying that again and again and again, and yet I keep doing it the other way.
No, Peanut. No. Ow. No, just...
Okay, let's stop. We should just have one.
No,
arm
she'll
in.
get out of it. Just put it in. Put her arm in.
I can't.
Oh!
No, Peanut.
She's got a snorkel. Is it too dark to see?
Yeah. Peanut in the dark.
Kind of.
No.
What the heck? It's
Oh man, it went down her body.
Oh, it's hurting her. Come here, are you okay?
Peanut, don't.
Okay, let's come on. We gotta get this picture done. Oh, I guess not.
Oh,
It's
Peanut.
off you.
Yeah,
Thomas,
hers on.
enough.
Okay.
Pause it.
Ho, ho, ho. Hey, Santa, I hear you just got in from San Jose. Got a little trouble out that way. But I got a song that'll pick up your spirits the most. It goes kind of like this. Christmas at Kmart, all over the store.